Got my CV Fabrication downpipes installed on my F-150. It's a 2018 Limited, and they came with single exhaust. I made it like the Raptor design. I got the split exhaust by the shop. I had to bring it to the shop, man. I ain't trying to do all that work. I got the factory OEM Raptor exhaust all the way to the back. And it cost me a pretty penny, but things were worth it, you know. Out of the way. Had to replace the bumper. Had to buy a bracket. I did that to it. This hoses and electrical cables. I just like put a bracket. I put a zip tie, lifted it off, made sure it's not touching the exhaust. On this side, they already had the factory. Where did they go? Okay, it's right here. That was there originally. And I also had to buy the Raptor exhaust bracket on this side because the regular EcoBoost one wouldn't work. It was too big, it's pushing against it, so that couldn't work, so I got rid of it. But yeah, otherwise it's looking good. We're just going to tighten it up, tighten up all the bolts, and see how it sounds.